Here's what nobody tells you about debt. Paying minimums is designed to keep you trapped for decades. The financial industry profits from your ignorance about timing. But there's a strategy so powerful that adding just $50 at the right moment can save you $50,000 over the life of your loans. I'm about to show you exactly when and how to make these strategic moves. This isn't theory. It's a proven system that transforms debt from your enemy into a tool for wealth building. Sarah Williams stared at her laptop screen at 2 a.m., calculator in hand, watching her financial future crumble in real time. At 34, this marketing manager had become a master at juggling minimum payments across $287,000 in mortgage debt, $23,000 in student loans, and $8,000 spread across 3 credit cards. Every month, $247 disappeared from her paycheck into the black hole of debt payments. The math was brutal. 27 years of payments stretching ahead with $184,000 destined for interest alone. You know that sinking feeling when you realize the system is rigged against you. Sarah felt it every time she read traditional financial advice telling her to pay minimums and invest the difference. The logic seemed sound until she ran the actual numbers. Her credit cards at 18% interest were compounding faster than any realistic investment return. The compound interest that financial gurus praise for building wealth was working in reverse, systematically destroying her financial future month after month. Everything changed when Sarah discovered that debt acceleration isn't about throwing extra money randomly at your balances. Real acceleration happens through strategic timing, calculated strikes at specific moments when your impact multiplies exponentially. She learned to identify these moments through mathematical precision, not emotional impulse. The revelation hit her like lightning when she calculated her first strategic move. Adding just $100 to her mortgage principal in month 1 would eliminate $847 in future interest payments over the life of the loan. That single $100 payment delivered a 747% return on investment, crushing any stock market fantasy. But Sarah understood this was just the beginning of a systematic transformation. The cascade effect became her secret weapon. Every dollar saved from accelerated debt payoff immediately redirected to attack the next highest interest debt. This wasn't budgeting or wishful thinking. This was mathematical warfare against compound interest. Each eliminated payment created breathing room that accelerated the next target exponentially. Month 18 marked Sarah's breakthrough moment. Her credit cards vanished completely, freeing up $340 in monthly payments that she immediately unleashed on her student loans. The psychological shift was profound, but the mathematical impact was devastating to her remaining debt. What started as disciplined 100 extra payments had evolved into $340 monthly avalanches, with more firepower building each month. The compound acceleration defied every financial limitation Sarah had accepted about her situation. Her $100 extra payments grew into $500 monthly attacks as each debt disappeared. The system fed on itself, creating momentum that traditional minimum payment strategies actively prevent. Each eliminated debt became fuel for faster elimination of the remaining balances. 16 years! That's how much time Sarah compressed from her original 27-year sentence. Her total debt timeline collapsed to just 11 years, saving $127,000 in interest payments that she redirected into building an $89,000 investment portfolio. The same compound interest that had been destroying her wealth now worked in her favor, creating financial freedom instead of financial bondage. Sarah's transformation exposes the fundamental lie embedded in minimum payment structures. Banks and lenders design these payments to maximize their profit over decades, not to serve your financial interests. Every month you pay minimums, you're funding their business model at the expense of your future wealth. This wasn't luck or a high-income miracle. Sarah's salary remained constant throughout her debt elimination journey. The difference was strategic timing that converted her existing payments into wealth-building weapons. She discovered that your debt doesn't have to be your enemy for decades when you understand the precise moments to strike. The financial industry has spent billions training you to accept minimum payments as normal, inevitable, and responsible. They profit from your resignation to long-term debt servitude. But mathematical reality reveals a different path, one where strategic lump sum timing transforms debt from a wealth destroyer into a stepping stone toward financial independence. Sarah's story proves that your current debt load isn't your permanent reality when you understand the true power of acceleration timing. The financial industry generates $180 billion annually from your minimum payment compliance, but strategic lump sum timing breaks their profit model permanently. Every month you accept their payment structure, you fund their wealth while sacrificing your own financial future. Discover exactly how much wealth you're surrendering to interest payments and how strategic timing can reclaim those losses for your investment portfolio. Your debt doesn't have to control your life for decades. Make it your stepping stone to financial freedom starting today.